Have you ever dreamed of having a luxury home that could travel anywhere? The $3 million Element Palazzo Superior motorhome makes that a reality. This breathtaking 45-foot portable mansion drives like a fantasy with otherworldly features behind its futuristic design. Join us as we showcase this ultra-exclusive motorhome that redefines extravagant wanderlust for the mega-rich. The outside of the Palazzo Superior looks like a spaceship. The designers were inspired by airplanes and wanted it to look very unique and futuristic. This eye-catching design is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Not only does it catch your attention, but the Superior has a truly massive size. At 45 feet long, it is almost as long as a semi-truck. It stands over 14 feet tall, so it is almost the height of a 3-story building. Going from front to back and side to side, the measurements come out to 45 feet long, 14 feet tall, and 8 feet wide. And you will be amazed when you hear how much this motorhome weighs: over 56,000 pounds. Even though it is that heavy, the powerful engine gives it great performance. There is an 800 horsepower Volvo truck engine that was customized just for the Superior. With all that engine power, this huge vehicle can go over 100 miles per hour at top speed. Having the engine of a large truck is important with the Superior's size and weight. A normal motorhome engine might struggle to power something this big, but the 800 horsepower truck engine has plenty of strength to accelerate better than some sports cars, even when fully loaded. It also uses a special transmission and can climb up steep mountains easily. The awesome engine gives owners confidence they can travel anywhere and have enough power. Whether driving through everyday traffic or climbing to high elevations, the performance won't let them down. The Superior's enormous size allows for very spacious features inside too. Hydraulic chambers let sections of the walls expand outwards with the slide rooms. With the slide rooms open, the living space inside goes from having the area of a small apartment to over 3,500 square feet. That's huge, more than 5 times bigger than what a typical RV has inside. So if you think the outside of the Palazzo Superior looks like a spaceship or something out of the future, wait until you see what's on the inside. It is designed like a luxury mansion you can take anywhere in the world with you. Let's go inside and check it out now. As we step inside the Palazzo Superior, prepare to be amazed by the spacious design and luxurious details. This motorhome is like a mansion driving down the highway. The open floor plan gives a light and airy feel. There is none of the closed-off cramped spaces you may find in a typical RV or camper. The deliberate use of marble floors, high ceilings, and tall windows makes the large square footage feel even bigger than it is. Nearly all the furnishings and finishes are made from top-quality materials usually only found in elite homes and yachts. The Italian leather chairs and couches look and feel softer than anything you have sat on. Rich exotic woods with intricate inlaid designs are used for the cabinetry, tables, and other wood elements. There are marble countertops and backsplashes that resemble what you would see in a palace entryway. At the front is a spacious living room centering around an extra-large flat-screen television. Speakers are built seamlessly into the walls and ceiling to create surround sound audio. Watching movies in here makes it feel like having box seats at a private cinema. There is also an elevated dining room area with views of the scenery passing by through panoramic windows on all sides. The polished dining set looks like it could seat royalty. For sleeping, the master bedroom reminds me of a luxury hotel penthouse suite. It includes a king-sized bed with top-of-the-line mattress and linens. There is a large walk-in closet, bigger than what most RVs have for a bathroom. The bedroom has a connecting master bath covered in marble with gold trim accents. It is equipped with a large rainfall shower, garden tub for 2, and dual vanity sinks. After soaking in the massive tub, you can wrap yourself in a plush Italian cotton bathrobe. The Element Palazzo Superior's standout feature is its second-floor sky lounge. This intimate top-level space resembles an exclusive VIP section in a high-end nightclub, providing stunning 360-degree views from the panoramic windows encircling it. White leather chairs and sofas offer luxurious seating arranged around glittering glass cocktail tables. With its privileged vantage point, plush furnishings, and subtle chic decor, the Sky Lounge creates the feel of an ultra-elite private club designed solely for relaxing in style and admiring breathtaking scenery not accessible to ordinary motorhome passengers. This is what makes the Palazzo Superior truly one of a kind. The real star here are the panoramic views afforded by the ring of floor-to-ceiling windows encircling the lounge. From here, you can relax, taking in 360-degree views from high above. Whether parked along a beach, lake, or mountainside, the Sky Lounge provides breathtaking vistas rivaling those from an executive penthouse suite. What really makes the Palazzo Superior stand out is how customizable it is. The company welcomes buyers to make this motorhome truly unique to match their individual style and interests. The graphics and finishes used on the exterior are limited only by what the owner can imagine. So whether they prefer a basic color scheme or an intricate one-of-a-kind airbrushed mural covering the 45-foot exterior, the Superior can be covered in their unique signature look. With no limits on imagination, each Superior can have stunning and distinctive paintwork tailored exactly to the owner's vision. Inside is where you can really make this motorhome your own. The basic layout is very spacious, but can be reconfigured in any way preferred. Add a second master bedroom, huge entertainment lounge with sports bar, expanded kitchen or dining area. Nearly anything is possible. Nearly all interior elements allow room for customization too. Want exotic wood cabinets with personal engravings? Done. Leather ceiling? No problem. Semi-precious metals and gems integrated into the decor. Just say the word. They bring dreams to reality. Many upgrade options transform spaces into elite luxury amenities. For example, the bathroom can become a spa oasis with Turkish marble, gold inlays, and luxury jet tub built for two. The entertainment system can expand by dropping an IMAX-style screen from the ceiling and adding 360-degree surround sound. For auto lovers, a specialty garage or showcase keeps prized vehicles secure. Multicolor programmable lighting and museum-style displays present the owner's car collection. Alternatively, the Superior excels as the ultimate event space on wheels. Install a commercial kitchen, cigar humidor, wine fridge, or basement cellar, hydraulically elevated stage, whatever caters to VIP parties. The possibilities are endless. No request is too outrageous if it fits inside the Superior's customizable framework. Bring any vision of luxury living and they will make it happen. Budget is no limit when starting with a $3 million base price. So what would be your dream configuration? Please comment with the luxury amenities you'd love if creating your very own customized Palazzo Superior. There you have it. The $3 million Element Palazzo Superior motorhome that redefines luxury mobile living. What posh amenities stuck out to you most? Could you see yourself cruising the open roads in this bespoke mansion? Let me know in the Luxury Planet comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more peeks inside the lives of the ultra-wealthy.